Welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about manually verifying your Google AdSense address. Traditionally, AdSense verifies your address by sending a PIN to your payment address. But there might be situations where you don't receive. In that case, you can request manual verification. There are two main scenarios where you might need help. Your PIN hasn't arrived. This is the most common issue. You've requested multiple replacements. If you've requested a fourth PIN and it still hasn't arrived after 3 weeks, head straight to the official AdSense PIN troubleshooter. Make sure your mailing address is associated with Google AdSense account. In AdSense Contact Us, you have to mention name, AdSense account ID and upload any document showing your name and address associated with the AdSense account. The right way to access details of your account is to sign in AdSense account and navigate to the Payments section. In Payments section you will find AdSense account details. Go to Manage Settings and find User Details of AdSense. Fill in Contact Us and submit. You will get an AdSense email instantly. Your address will be verified in the next 24 hours, and you will get an email for verification completed. This is how you can request manual verification. If you've requested a fourth PIN and it still hasn't arrived after 3 weeks, I hope you will understand. If you like the video, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.